On the off chance that you're searching for spell token cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of sort of spell most certainly token will go from now on. We will truly dissect the previous costs of spell token and will figure out what specialists explicitly are talking about its future cost activity, or so they for the most part thought. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this especially is just the idea of some market master examiners, not to fundamentally specify foreseeing something so wonderful by and large is totally unimaginable in a kind of significant manner. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should sort of begin. Spell pretty symbolic past value examination in an especially huge manner. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of spell token by and large is $0. Spell essentially is as of now certainly position number 313 in the whole crypto-biological system. The core supply of in a real sense spell pretty token generally is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of $68,279,823, which is genuinely huge. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the spell token's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.41% as of now. Spell token is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins. The spell is down to nearly 16.04% over the most recent 7 days, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past really couple of days. The coin could explicitly have in every practical sense solid essentials in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in most certainly present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of explicitly spell diminished by 25.768%. Killing an incredible normal amount of $0 its kind of current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent in a real sense purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 2.50%, and the cost circled from a base certainly normal cost of $0, most extreme normal cost of $0, the very beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months explicitly spell token has shown a developing pattern, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hence, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of especially spell token is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its value, which is very huge. The coin is up by 3.05% with the most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin essentially was around $0. The base genuinely normal value of was around $0 genuinely beyond 4 months in a significant way. We anticipate future spell kind of symbolic cost expectations. SPELL conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the sort of past value information of truly spell most certainly token. We most certainly do our sort of the best to sort of gather greatest verifiable information for the spell coin, which by and large incorporate various boundaries like past value, spell token market cap, spell truly token volume, and not many more. On the off chance that you for the most part are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and basically need great profit from your speculations, make a point to sort of peruse our expectations, which is genuinely critical. Spell token value expectation 2023 basically spell especially token cost is conjecture to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0 2023. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0, the essentially normal gauge cost of $0, which truly is genuinely critical. Spell token value expectation 2024 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell. In 2024, the cost of spell token is anticipated to especially reach at the very least degree of $0. The spell cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell value conjecture for 2025 is per our sort of profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of spell. In 2025, the cost of spell token is determined to generally be at around a base worth of $0. The spell really token value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. Spell Token Value Forecast 2026. The cost of Spell Token is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $0 2026, which basically is very huge. The Spell exceptionally token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2026. Spell Token Value Forecast 2027. The cost of one sort of Spell Token is supposed to reach at a fundamentally least degree of $0 2027. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2027, which is very huge. Spell Token Value Forecast 2028. The cost of Spell Pretty Token is in a real sense anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0 2028. The Spell Token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2028. Spell Token Value Expectation 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of generally Spell Pretty symbolic is supposed to fundamentally reach at the very least value worth of $0 a significant manner. The spell cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of 1 cent with the genuinely normal worth of $0, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell Token Value Conjecture 2030. The cost of Spell Token is anticipated to reach at least worth of 1 cent in 2030. The Spell Genuinely Token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent all through 2030. Spell Token Value Expectation 2031. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Spell Token is anticipated to reach at least degree of 2 cents in an unpretentious manner. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 2 cents with the especially normal exchanging cost of 2 cents. Or so they thought. Spell Token Value Expectation 2032. Spell Token cost basically is conjectured to for the most part arrive at a least conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2032 amazingly. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 3 cents with the typical figure cost of 3 cents, which is genuinely huge. How in every practical sense, much will Spell Really Token truly be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Spell Token will have a base cost of $0, a greatest cost of $0 spell. Since Spell all things considered, token is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies radically. What will be the Spell most elevated figure cost for 2023? Which generally is very huge. The spell cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0 the finish of 2023, which is very huge. What amount truly does especially Spell Token expense in 2024? The cost of Spell symbolic will increment as additional financial backers truly engage in the venture in an unobtrusive way. In year 2024, by and large Spell Token will be worth about a normal cost of $0, which generally is genuinely huge. What is the Spell in every practical sense? Token cost today, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today Spell Token is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $68,279,823. How high can Spell Most Certainly Token go? The typical cost of Spell Pretty Token could go to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Spell Token a wise venture? Spell Token's worth basically is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general support cost rise. If it's not too much